Hi traders, in this video we are looking at the 4 sessions indicator for MT4. This indicator visually separates the main forex trading sessions on your charts so you can easily see when Asian, London, New York and other key periods are active. In this video, you will see how the sessions are drawn on the chart, how colors and times are handled, and which options you can customize. At this point, I'm going to load the indicator on the chart so you can see how it looks in real time. Remember to allow DLL imports, and just like that we have it installed. As you can see on the price chart, the 4 sessions indicator shades or boxes different time blocks to represent specific sessions, typically using separate colors for each. These colored areas form repeating bands or rectangles across the trading week, allowing you to see at a glance when particular sessions begin and end. The visual layout implies when liquidity tends to increase or decrease, and it helps traders align their analysis and trade planning with the session that most closely matches their strategy. As for the settings, let's take a look. Session time parameters let you define the start and end times for each major trading session according to your broker or local server time. Color and style settings allow you to assign different colors and transparency levels to each session so you can distinguish them clearly without obscuring price candles. Visibility options can include toggles to show or hide specific sessions or to apply the shading only on certain days or time frames if desired. As for who is for, the 4 sessions indicator is designed for traders who care about which session they are trading in and want a clear visual map of active market hours directly on their MT4 charts. It is a visual timing tool only, does not execute trades, and while it can highlight when volume and volatility may typically be higher, it does not guarantee movements or direction in any individual session. You can download the 4 sessions indicator for MT4 using the link in the description below. It offers a straightforward way to see the key forex trading sessions overlaid on your visual price charts. If you like tools that help align trading decisions with session timing, subscribe to the Forex Geek and turn on notifications for more tutorials.